Italian factory Poliform has been a trendsetter of interior fashion for many years in a row. Hundreds of models have been created in the history of the brand, many of them were loved by designers all over the world and became bestsellers. You can see basically the whole line of the factory in a space specially created for this purpose, Poliform Lab. The most popular models will be introduced to us by Yulia Ignatova, the owner of Felicita Design Agency, the exclusive representative of Poliform brand in Ukraine, Moldova, the Caucasus and Central Asia.
Poliform Lab is a source of inspiration for creating new interior solutions. Please welcome.
Poliform is known internationally as a system factory that has created and continues to define trends in the design of walk-in closets.
Poliform Factory has been making dressing rooms since 1942. We already know all the nuances, all the features, all the functions that a dressing room should have, and we have added the design, elegance, and created completely our own style of Poliform dressing rooms.
Senza Fine, an already legendary walk-in closet, has been redesigned this year by the factory's designers. The base of the closet has been modified and additional legs have been added.
This collection allows you to use models both open and with doors. Facade finishes can be different: wood, fabrics, glass, both transparent and opaque. We can also see here how the model located in the middle of the space is like a beautiful showcase for your favorite things. Through the entire collection of walk-in closets we have two colors of metal, Ardesia and Champagne. Poliform Factory uses models of different width and height. Our maximum height of doors and models is 2.910.
Senza Fine really does look fancy. In addition to the different finishes, the facades of the Poliform wardrobes can be made with different features. A convenient option is the system of opening the facades 180 degrees, which makes the use of the wardrobe even more comfortable.
Of course, the mood in the dressing room is in details. It is the feeling, accessories. The factory also provides you with such leather holders made in different colors for watches, for bracelets and for belts.
Another Poliform bestseller is the famous wall system, which, while maintaining the basic concept, is constantly updated in its details.
The historical wall system has always been transformed, improved, and new models are added, new content is added, which allow us to make different interiors, like a TV zone, library, showcases, makeup zone, bar, and it is all a wall system.
A distinctive characteristic of Poliform, which allows the brand to maintain its leadership in the market of furniture, is a huge number of variations in configurations and finishes.
There are standard models available in two different depths. It is possible to use all finishes from our collection, both wood veneers and painted finishes, to combine them in the structure to create a new character for a new interior design.
The wall system can be used both at the wall and as a partition for space zoning. The factory offers several options for the height of the system, and this year Poliform presented at the Milan exhibition another long-awaited feature, the pivot door opening system.
Poliform is very experienced in system. We have 3 living room system, 3 wardrobe system, we even have a sofa system. We are basically a system factory and we provide you with a lot of elements to create your own interior masterpieces.
This is proved by another absolute bestseller of the factory, the West Side sofa.
The update West Side soft sofa with down filling was presented last year at the Milan exhibition and could keep the heads of all visitors. Within a year, it became a favorite worldwide. It is a soft, comfortable sofa, but it keeps its lines, character and Poliform style.
Poliform advises to use this model in textile finishing because this material will allow you to feel the comfort and softness of the special down feeling of the sofa.
This sofa is designed for a large space, for a big family where everyone gathers together, and you can make a whole island where the family lives together. For example, part of the island faces the windows, another part faces the kitchen, the next part can be at the fireplace or a children's playroom, and all together everyone can live in the same space, finding a comfortable place for themselves.
Another secret of the factory's bestseller success is the complex solution for the living room design. West side is complemented by the same name tables, which have an identical base to the sofa, and together they create a single composition. Also taking care of comfort and design, the factory has created for this model an interesting, comfortable and stylish detail, made in metal and covered with leather.
This sofa has many different models. You can make different compositions. You can move them around and create a personalized composition for your lifestyle.
Obviously, it is impossible not to mention the famous Le Club armchair, created especially for Poliform by the famous French designer Jean-Marie Massot. Le Club reinterprets the design of the past in a modern way, preserving curved lines and comfort.
Generally, these Le Club armchairs became an accent in the living room, in the hall, in the composition of sofas, because this shape fits any type of sofa and complements the entire sitting area.
Le Club is not only a potential art object in the interior, but also an ergonomic furniture piece that gives its owner unconditional comfort. Smooth lines, tactilely pleasing materials and an additional element give pleasure throughout the time you spend in this incredible armchair.
The Le Club armchair is available in leather, in fabric, out of our large collection of standard fits. Also, we added last year a coating that allows you to use it outdoors, since Poliform introduced the outdoor collection.
The global popularity of Poliform furniture is easy to explain. Along with excellent quality and stylish design, the very presence of Poliform in an interior has become a sign of good taste.